Five-time NASCAR Sprint Series winner Jimmie Johnson became a 6 Cup Series champion this weekend in Miami. Johnson entered the final series with a 28-point lead, ensuring a top 3 finish from the get-go. In the end, he came out on top. This incredible victory marks Johnson's first win since his 5-year hot streak from 2006 to 2010. He is the 3rd racer in history to win this many titles.
Imagine the pressure generated by a karate kick, a punch, a rugby tackle. The pressures inside your engine are up to 10,000 times greater. Every time you drive, your engine is being put to the test. And every test of your engine is a test of your oil strength.
Before, engines didn't have all the stresses they have nowadays.